This is Tech Talking back with another review of action camera. In my previous video I did the unboxing of the Roxcore HD 720p action camera. Today I'm gonna do some review of the different specs and the buttons, that's how can you use them. So let's start. So we have like different buttons here, and yes. So what does they do? So first let's start with the mood button. This is the mood button. If you want to switch on, switch off the camera, you press then this button. If you want to switch between video and photo mode, you do press this one. Let me give you a mirror so you can see the indication light. So now the camera is on and I switch it off again. So that's switching off again. Yes. Beside that I have a button up there. This is the OK button. So whenever you're doing like suppose you want to take a picture and you select the mood and then you go into the picture and then you take pictures with pressing the button. Let me give you another demo with this as well. And so this is the, and suppose I want to take a picture here. First I have to go to the mode. Oh, this is the actually the video mode. So you see the video has started and I want to stop the video. So I stop, and then I want to, now you can see this, this is the picture mode. So I want to take a picture. You can see the sound of that camera sound capturing a picture. And if I press the mode again here, so it gives me the picture which I just took, and I've pressed again the mode, so it goes to, so it just if you want to switch off, just press this and you will see. Yeah, so it's switched off. Yes, so this is the lens. I haven't removed yet the protecting sheet on the lens. So this is the lens. There are two more buttons on this side, if you can see. These are the up and down buttons. So if you are in a, suppose you have too many pictures or videos, so you can just go down using the up and down button, or yes, and there's 3 or 6 dots here. These are actually the speakers when you play back a video or when the sound comes out. So that's the area where it does. And if you go on the other side, you can see this is the charging port. If you suppose if you want to charge this, so you just plug in and you'll see a light comes up, and that means it's charging. Yeah, so it's just that very simple. Remove the charger again, just switch it off, pressing this button. Like I said, this is the SD card slot where you can insert your memory card. So how does you insert the memory card? Just to tell you, it supports up to 32 GB. It doesn't support more than that. It can support less than that. So this is the golden side, and that's the logo side on the other hand. So the golden side should be towards the lens, and this is how you just put in and just press it inside and it holds itself. Yeah, so it's just that easy. Up there, if you can see these 3 dots up there, I hope you can see. Yeah, so that's the microphone of, so when you're doing recording, it saves the recording through these 3 dots that goes to the microphone area. Going down, this is another place where there's a battery. So how do you see the battery, remove the battery? So just press, just hold with your nail and then just, so that comes out, and then you have this stripe, so you just hold the stripe and it's very easy. Just take out the battery, take in the battery. Normally you don't need to do unless you want to change the battery of you. Yeah, so just put it back like this and just push this area. It has to be, sorry, it was the wrong way. So this, and then just, yeah, so that's done. So it's very easy, it's not that difficult. So these are the actual main buttons, how to, and it also comes with a waterproof case like this one that comes with the camera, so you can use it. So how to use that is just very easy. Just check where the lens this area is and just pop in, just and then press this window on the back, and then the black side, this has this catching area, so it catches the, if you can see that, and then just press down. Yes, so that's ready, and you can just again press mode, the OK button, the up down buttons, but then you cannot charge it, or yes, but you can see the screen as well. So yeah, that was the review for the Roxcore 720p HD camera that supports 720p video resolution. I hope you liked the review. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day and evening. Bye.